Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm going to be playing with a printable set from Scribbles On My Heart. I have worked with some of her printables for multiple times over the last few years. She was doing a collaboration with Tanya, who is Messy Bible, for a while. They were doing devotionals together, and so she did send me this set to work with, so just heads up on that. But she has some amazing goodies over in her shop, and I just adore what she does over there. So this is the Unlock His Love for You set. This printable bundle comes with devotional content and several pages of printables, and it also includes a personalized page. So you can have her personalize this page here with your one little word for the year. And she'll put your name in there as well, which is super awesome if you want some personalized printables. So this does come with devotional content, like I said. So I went ahead and just printed mine on regular copy paper, front and back, but it is size that you could create a little mini traveler's notebook insert with it if you wanted to. And we are talking about God's love for us. And so this was kind of in preparation for Valentine's Day. I'm a little late to the party, but this set I think is still a great one to use and is a great topic to study on. So I'm going to be journaling in 1 John chapter 4 verses 7 through 10 that she has us looking at here in the devotional content. And so this set comes with that page of devotional. You get the personalized page here. You get this page of printables, and then there is a page of just these line drawn images. So I've printed mine, some of them on clear sticker paper, some on cardstock, and I've already cut them out, and I'm going to be using a variety of those. They have all of these fun like key images in there, and she was offering a the ability to do a hand-stamped key with your one little word, and she did send that to me with my word focus, and I set it aside to put on my new car keys, and I cannot find it. So I am tearing apart my house. I will find it. I don't think that she's offering that in the shop any longer, but definitely check out the shop. She periodically offers fun little goodies in there in addition to the printable set, so I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. But like I said, we're working in 1 John, and I have several of the printables already cut out on cardstock that I'll be using, and we're just going to be keeping it super simple. I'll add in some alpha stickers, do some journaling, but one thing I love about printables is you can keep your pages very simple. You do not need to mess with, paints and inks and things like that if you don't want to, or you can add in those elements and then use these as embellishments. So let me go ahead and put you on fast forward, and we'll put this page together. Okay, so while these printables are absolutely stunning on their own, I did want to add a little something to the background of the page. So I pulled out this paint set. This is a set of watercolors from Daniel Smith. It comes with 6 colors. This is the blues. I think it's like oceans or something like that. And then I added in 6 of the Primatech watercolors from Daniel Smith into here. So I'll have all that linked down below. These are a higher quality, like fancy watercolor. So just heads up, you can do the same technique with cheap, inexpensive watercolors. But I just grabbed this one because it had the colors in it that went along with the colors in the printables. So I sprayed my page down sopping wet, which the Illustrating Bible does not love, so just be careful. But got it really, really wet, and then just dropped in faint drops of those different colors, and it really went well with the colors that are in the printables. I was really happy with how it came out, and it was nice and soft. So you just want to make sure when your page is super wet like that, you don't scrub at your page too much in this Bible, because the pages are kind of just don't play nice with water. But I went ahead and made sure that was good and dry, and then now I've laid out my florals. These are pretty large images, which is great when you're working in the Illustrating Bible, but if you're working in a more traditional journaling Bible, you can scale these down when you print them. So you can print at like 50%. You can even drop these into like a Word program or a photo editing program and print, 2 to a page kind of thing, and then they would be smaller and you could use them on smaller projects. So that's kind of the one thing I really like about printables is you can customize them and resize them and change things and print them on different mediums, and you just get a lot of bang for your buck with printables. So I'm just going and laying a few of these out to kind of create a frame around the edge. I'm leaving myself room in the center there for my title and my prayer journaling. I did go ahead and pull out a few of the keys and thought it would be fun to tuck a few of those in. This just adds some contrast. I really love the softness that this page was kind of headed towards, but I'm a contrast girl. And so these keys kind of bring a darker color and break things up a little bit and go along with the topic and the title and are just kind of fun. So I'm tucking a few of those into some different places. Kind of layered in these leaves and things like that. That tape runner that I have there, that is new. I found it at Target. It was kind of expensive. They're normally like $15 to $20, but I found mine clearance for like $6. So don't forget to look at the craft section at your Target for clearance items. I go through a ton of adhesive. So I'm going to go ahead and trim off anything that's hanging over the bottom edge and the side edge. I let the party happen at the top of my Bible pages, but you can trim down whatever you want. I prefer to have things kind of flush on the bottom and the side and then leave tabs and die cuts and things poking out of the top and kind of just add some interest to the top of my Bible. So I pulled out a few different alpha stickers. These are some Dear Lizzie stickers. I found mine from Tuesday morning, but I do have them linked down below for you guys. I love this color, one of my favorite colors. So I bought like 6 sets of those alpha stickers, so I would not run out. And then these pink ones are from Felicity Jane. I have their alphas linked down below as well. And I did go ahead and outline the title. I have found that I prefer this. I want my title to be big and bold and stand out when you're flipping through my Bible. And so I just prefer to outline things. So I'm just taking a precision pen and then going in and adding my prayer journaling as well. Just thanking God, just how amazing it is that, you know, He loves us enough that He sent His Son to die for us. You know, and I just pray that I could love others in that same sacrificial way. And so that's kind of what I journaled there. Finish it off with a date stamp. And like I said, everything is linked down below for you guys. If you're curious about the printer that I use, the papers that I use, the Bible I'm using, all that kind of stuff is linked down below. And that is going to be it. So definitely head on over and check out Scribbles On My Heart. She's got some beautiful printables in her shop, as well as some devotional kits and things like that. So give her some love. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.